everyone, Mr. Sispu here, and I got back from Maine yesterday. I do have some footage that I would like to put together, but anyways, I just got back from work, and I am tired. It's time to relax, and I want to have some tea, and I want you to join me. Oh, it's ready. Boop. All right, let's do this. Oh, my friend got me a cool mug. All right. Hail Nobra! I mean, Hail Hydra! So I don't know about you guys, but I am so excited for Age of Ultron. Yeah! So I cannot wait for that movie to come out. So excited. But anyways, it's time for some wonderful tea. And I hope you guys have a gimmeristic week. Keep rocking.